Welcome to my YouTube channel Daily Breaking News. Where Japan men's gymnastic team has won gold medal, and the gold medal they won was thrown on the ground. Whereas in the team all around gymnastic competition, 4 people per team perform, and the top three in each event compete for the total score. The scoring system is to choose 3 out of 5 performers for each event, as the 3 players compete for the total score. One mistake can be fatal, and that happened today.